Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can log in into TikTok. So let's just go back to homepage for this one. Just going to wait for it to load. It does take a few minutes to go back to homepage. It's sometimes very annoying, so let's just be patient. It's still loading. I'm just gonna pause it and I'll be right back when I'm back in the homepage because I don't want you guys to wait. So okay, that took so long, like y'all don't even know. Anyways, go to sign in and use either TikTok or Google, like Gmail or Facebook. Okay, it doesn't want me to sign in apparently, but this is where you sign in. And basically oh, there we go. If you sign in with TikTok, just make sure you're authorized with TikTok. I already did before, so I'm just going to open CapCut and I've already been. And hopefully I'm signed in. That's what I meant. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!